Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Utsman SHB. In this video, I will show you guys about how I'm doing skin tone coloring for the portrait drawing. So, let's get started. From the very first step is the basic color for the skin tone coloring is the light cream color. But if you want to use another light color like yellow, it is okay, but don't put it too much or just put it lightly on your drawing. The basic color is really important on guiding you to make some shapes, especially on highlighting, shading, and also to make some shapes of the face, how it looks like, and some lines on your face about how it looks like. It is really important to make it clearly on the first layer of this skin tone coloring. I usually just like to left the white color of the paper behind because when I want to make some highlight colors on the face portrait drawing, I just like to leave it behind because it is easier to do and it will look so much better when you left the white color behind. So this is the example. The shape of his nose is a bit pointed, so I left the white color of the paper behind because I really want to make the highlight on his nose looks clearly. Just do the same way for the cheeks, the chin, the forehead, or maybe the other part like eyelids, ears, or maybe neck, as same as what I did for the nose shape. And this is the result of the first layer for the skin tone coloring. Then for the second layer, I use basic brown color, just following the lines or the shapes that you've already made for the first layer, and put the color lightly. As you can see guys, this basic brown color is already sharpened the shapes or some contours of the face. This is the result. You can see the difference, right? The next layer is the light green color. This light green color is actually a secret for almost all of the artists around the world to make their drawing look more dramatic, and the colors gonna look like a Renaissance painting. To make the color looks more dramatic, just put the green color lightly over the edges of the brown color and just follow the shape of the lines or the contours that you already make from the first layer and the second layer. and this is the result. You can see like the light coming from the front of their faces. It looks more dramatic, right? Alright guys, the next layer is the pink color. This pink color is really important to put it on their face because it will look so much better and it will look like a Renaissance painting. Because Renaissance painting characteristics are usually they use pink tone color for their paintings and it will look more dramatic, I guess. When you do this layer, you have to put this color lightly, same as when you do the green layer, because it is like when we want to put some highlights on their face, it will look so much better if this color looks pretty soft. Alright guys, this is the result when we already put the pink color on their face. You can see the difference, right? Okay, now we're reaching the last layer that we have to put on their face. It is the dark brown color. And why is it so important, guys? Because this dark brown color gonna give more clarity in this drawing and it will look so much better for the intensity of the clarity for any kind of picture. Because if we have some pictures, it will look so much better when the shading is strong and the dark color is pretty good and gives some balance for the highlights. But this dark brown layer is kinda different way with other layers that we've made before. I usually use this dark brown color for the eyelids, the eyeliner, the cornea of the eye, for the eyebrow, ears, or to make more clarity on the nose and the jawline and any other part that we think it is need more clarity. And this is the final result of my drawing. I'm sorry guys, I'm not showing the tutorials on how I coloring the lips because it's kinda different and I will make for the different videos for the tutorial of coloring lips. And thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on the notification to make sure that you will get every single notification for the upcoming videos. Hope you guys like this video and see you on the next videos.